If you want to quickly turn audio, video, or even handwritten notes into searchable text, Evernote makes that process surprisingly simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transcribe on Evernote, step by step, so you can upload your file, start the transcription, and organize everything inside one note. This is a great workflow for meetings, lectures, interviews, voice memos, and scanned notes. And, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Evernote app on your computer or phone, or go to Evernote Web in your browser. Once you're in, either create a brand new note by clicking New Note, or open an existing note where you want the transcript to appear. This is important because Evernote will place the transcribed text directly inside the note you choose, so make sure you're working in the right notebook or note before you begin. Now, the next step is to add the content you want to transcribe. You have a few different options here depending on what you're working with. If you already have an audio file, a video file, or even an image of handwritten text, you can drag and drop that file straight into the note. On some versions, you can also type a slash and search for files to insert them quickly. If you're recording something live, like a meeting, lecture, or voice note, click Insert in the toolbar and choose Audio Recording. Then allow microphone access if Evernote asks for it, and start speaking or recording. Once the file is attached or the recording is ready, look for the Transcribe button. In many cases, Evernote may begin transcribing automatically, but if it doesn't, just click or tap Transcribe manually. After that, Evernote will start processing your file and turning the spoken words or handwritten content into text. The time this takes depends on the size and length of the file, so if it's a long recording, be patient and let it finish. A good tip here is not to close the app while it's working, because that can interrupt the process. When the transcription is complete, the text will appear directly inside your note. From here, you can review everything carefully and make edits just like you would with any other Evernote note. Fix any typos, clean up formatting, highlight important sections, or add your own headings and comments. If you're using Evernote's AI features, you may also be able to summarize the transcript or pull out key points faster, which is super helpful for long meetings or class notes. Another big advantage is that the transcript is saved securely in your Evernote account and becomes searchable by keyword. That means later on, you can find your notes by searching for a word or phrase from the transcription, which makes Evernote incredibly useful for organizing research, interviews, and study material. So that's it. You've now learned how to transcribe on Evernote by opening a note, uploading or recording your file, using the Transcribe button, and then editing and organizing the final text. If you found this useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.